So we haven't made any mistakes. It's not moving.
What'd you break now, Will?
He started that when he was a kid, I think.
I'm not breaking anything. It's Tim.
It wasn't me.
I like rebuilding that 4 times.
Nobody will know that Tim screwed up.
Gotta blame the apprentice. That's why I have an apprentice. Like, even though I designed the furniture, I think somehow he must have got into my computer and changed the numbers. So we want to add a little something beautiful that will never be seen. I know it's there.
No, it's just something that we know that makes it all work.
But it's going to shim this out and make it the right width. It's also just an added bonus.
I'm not leaving funny pictures on Tim's phone.
Oh, I'm having a blast.
My fault, we didn't beat him hard enough.
If he spent less time hugging his girlfriend,
She'll fix him.
I could get it today. I could get it. I would get it today.
Will's son. Can we do that over? Will's my son.
Taught me all the tips and tricks.
Techniques.
Thank you, sir.
Make a round table and end up with these little frames like this right there.
I don't know where my pants are.
How do I look? Terry, how do I look? How's my hair?
awful gray.
Oh, that's not gray, that's chrome. Oh, this is true. This is true. He's twice as old as me. Twice as much chrome.
Doesn't look like it.
A smooth process when you're painting fine detail.
Milled up. I don't know where we're gonna wind up.
Every day.
Yeah, 2 and 5.